Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Scotto, and for those who are new, welcome. I like to do videos on luxury. I like to do videos on vlogs. I like to do videos on unboxings, reviews, all that good stuff. So if you are into that, or if you just simply want to join the fam, please hit that subscribe button and also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. It's fun here, so I would totally suggest you subscribing. So for today's video, I haven't done a sit down video in such a long time and it feels good, guys. So about a month ago, I did a little damage and I purchased myself, if you can guess by the bow, and like it says right there, so that's pretty dumb to me to say, but I purchased my first Chanel piece. Yay! I'm so excited, and at first I was like, yee, I really done it this time. I really did the damage, but you know what? I deserve it. Really do. Do I? I don't know. You guys can guess by the bag size. It is an SLG, and I am in love with this piece. So to get started, let's just unbox it, and then I really don't have a story about this because I've been wanting this piece for such a long time, and I could never like be able to afford it. But then I've been starting to save my money more and been more responsible with my money, and like I like to budget my money and like to plan out where I can save and what I should save for and all that. So I've been really good at that. So I think I do deserve this because I did save up for it and I worked hard for my money, and I always work hard for my money. So yeah, I think I do deserve it. I don't know. But to get to the unboxing, I'm gonna box it for you guys. I'm also going to not only unbox this piece, but also going to show you what I put in it. And sorry if my hair looks like a total mess today, but today was just like me relaxing with my family, so I didn't really feel the need to really beauty up for this video or like for the day. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I have been using this piece because like I said, I'm gonna show you guys what I put into the piece. And not only that, but I did not wrap it the same way they did because just doesn't happen that way. But look how terrible this job is. That is horrific. Horrific. Can't even see the Chanel. Whatever, we're just gonna get into it. So I'm taking the bow off, and oh my god, this packaging is amazing. But not only that, but the camellia, I love it. I absolutely love it. That's all right. What do you think? Okay. So there's the ribbon. And I'm gonna put that back in the bag. Should I keep this on? Should I? I think I will. Yeah, I think I will. Okay, so here's the box. And like I said before, this packaging is amazing. I love Chanel packaging. When I first got it, I was like, didn't want to unwrap it or anything. I just wanted the packaging to look pretty all the time. There's a humongous bee by my window. So I opened the box and it came with this, I believe it's a care booklet telling you how to blah blah blah, take care of the product, blah blah blah. No one ever reads these. Well, I don't know if people do, but I don't. So it just says Chanel on the dust bag, and the moment we've all been waiting for. And if you guys can guess what this is, leave a comment down below. But even the dust bag is really good quality. I think, honestly, out of all the luxury brands, I think Chanel beats packaging other than everyone else. I think so, for me personally, because it really feels luxurious. It's very thick, it's very soft. It's very just luxurious feeling. So stop rambling. I know. So it just says Chanel, like I said, on the dust bag. And here's a little peek. I ended up getting this is called the Chanel card holder, I want to say, but I could be lying. And I got it in this beautiful red color. So I was debating between this color and the classic, but then the sales associate that was helping me was like, I think you should go for this one because Chanel never has the same colors when they come out with new pieces. So if you really like this one, you should get it because they won't have the color like this ever again. It's like once it's here, once it's gone, it's really gone. So I chose the red, and the sales associate also told me that like if it's better to get a bright color because if you're in your bag, you want to be able to see it and grab it and not like ramble through your bag for your items. So, and plus like this color, like let me just show you a close-up. How amazing is this color? It's so beautiful. And I got it with the gold tone hardware. And here's the back. And I also got this in the caviar leather, the caviar pebbled leather, not the swishy one, because I wanted something that was going to be durable. And I've heard that the I think it's called just the caviar leather. I mean, it is a nice material, but it doesn't hold up as well as the pebbled. So I wanted something that was durable, that wasn't gonna easily scratch or anything, because look at these nails, they're long. So yeah, I went with the red card holder, and it has a pocket right here, as you can see. Take this out, it has a pocket right here, and then the back of it has two pockets, one right here and one right here, and it also has a middle compartment. And I think one of these slots says where it's made from. Yeah, made in Spain. I don't know if you can really see that actually. It's not focusing, but yeah, it's made in Spain. And then this is the authenticity card. And I'm gonna put that in the bag. And then I'm just taking this one out, putting there. So yeah, this is what it looks like as a close-up again. This is the red color with the pebbled caviar leather. Here's the back. And the middle compartment. It's just a really overall beautiful piece, and I'm so happy with it. At first I was like, I don't know, like I was just like indecisive about it because I wanted the classic one, and I've always originally, like, if I told myself that my first Chanel purchase was going to be always classic no matter what, but then I also wanted something different. So yeah, that is why I got this piece. But anyway, I wanted to show you guys, also the receipt. Here's the receipt. Has this really nice design on it. That's what I like too, luxury presented, if that makes sense. So here's my sales associate's card. He was so nice and so very helpful and patient, because I knew I was going to take a little bit in the store, and I was there. And actually I went there twice. So the reason why we were there in the first place is because my brother wanted to buy his girlfriend something from Louis Vuitton. So while they were in Louis Vuitton, I went to Chanel because it was right across from Chanel. So I went there and I was looking at their stuff, and I didn't originally want to, I didn't have a plan of buying this. So what really sold me on that one, like I said before, is that if you really love it, get it, because the same color will not ever be available again. So that's why. But I knew it was going to take a long time, so the sales associate that was with me was really patient and really trying to help me out to figure out which one I wanted. But I think eventually I'm going to end up getting the classic one, because I love the card holders way more than the a regular wallet. It's just so much easier for me, I find, to use it, because I even started cutting down on cash and everything and putting it on my debit card, and I just find it so much easier when I'm out. So I hate, like, the reason why is because I hate going to, say, the grocery store, and I'm giving someone cash and they give me change and everything, and I have to like put my change somewhere else, then my other money. It's just, It's just a hassle. So I just like to carry cards now. So I've really cut down on that. Anyway, that was a lot of talking. So the total price of this was $453.16. Yeah, that is the receipt. So I'm going to show you guys what I actually hold in this. It holds quite a lot, and at first I was like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to hold everything that I usually hold in my wallet. Okay guys, so what I'm showing you is what I'm putting in here, and for the top slot of the card holder, I'm putting, how many credit cards is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 credit cards in the first slot, like so, like that. And that is pretty good for 5 credit card slots. And then I also have, I'm putting in there some loyalty cards. So I have my coffee card, Barnes & Noble card, and also this juice place that I like to go to. So I'm putting that right behind, show you, right behind where the credit cards are. So that is where I literally put all my credit cards and all my loyalty cards, right in this first pocket. And then what I like to do, just to be on the safe side, is put my driver's license, so I have it easily accessible right on the bottom of the second credit card. And then what I like to do is put my debit card right in the front of the pocket of the front of the card holder. And then I do have some cash with me right now because I still need to deposit this money. So I do have some cash, and still with some cash you could fit your money into the middle, which where I like to put my cash, like that. So yeah, that is what I carry. I have my driver's license, all my credit cards, my debit card, and cash. So this is like, I love this piece so much because how easy it is and how small it is. Doesn't take a lot of room in my bag at all, and I love the color. It's just overall such a beautiful piece. I didn't want to give you guys a overall review of this card holder because I only had it for a month. I just want to be able to give you like a full review of this card holder, but I will be doing a like update and review on this card holder. So yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and thank you all for watching and supporting my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please go follow me on Instagram. I will put my name somewhere on the screen, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night wherever in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, I love you.